How to remove Control Center icon from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your passcode to access. This section allows you to manage security features for your iPhone. Now, scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section to find Control Center and turn off the toggle switch next to it. Disabling this will prevent anyone from accessing your Control Center when your iPhone is locked, enhancing your device's security. Following these steps, you can easily remove Control Center from the iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.